Welcome to Premier Property Group's gorgeous Scottsdale office. It's conveniently located on the Loop 101 in an upgraded Class A complex with a fiber optic internet system and many other amenities for Premier Property Group agents. From the impressive lobby, enter into an open and inviting reception area. The expansive office is comfortable, professional, and modern, with a working bar for agents on the go. Plenty of individual workspaces. A conference room and training area. Plus a fully equipped kitchen, complete with a coffee and tea bar. The Scottsdale office is not only a place to work, but a place to connect and innovate, where the workplace becomes a community. You'll love its convenient location with an abundance of on-site parking for agents and clients. Come visit us anytime here at 8800 East Raintree Drive in Scottsdale.